So this is the official MI Scrubs scrub. I just wanted to pull together a wee video so that if you have any queries on the construction process, I hope this might simplify it for you. Please do pop any questions, any construction questions you might have in the comments. I've tried to describe how you can achieve the perfect V-neck as well as the inset sleeves, the pocket, the side vents in the top, and then the drawstring waistband as well. If you do have any construction questions, pop them in the comments box below, and I will try my best to get back to you as soon as possible. This is going to be pre-cut for all of the NI stitchers. We are trying to get it out as quick as possible, so please do bear with us. We're cutting hundreds a day and they will be going out starting this week. Okay, it's really comfortable, I have to say. I'm thinking about making one for myself just for scrubbing around the house. But everyone keep up the good work, and if you have any questions, yeah, pop them in the description box. Thank you. So this is the pre-cut packs. One is for the bottoms and then one is for the top as well. You can use these bags as well to pop your trousers back on. It has the size on it, so we'll be able to see very clearly what the size is, and then the top as well. So once you've finished, wash, press and pop it in the bag, ready to go. Okay, so you have 4 leg pieces. You'll notice that the front leg piece has a shorter crotch than the back leg piece. Okay, so you have 2 back legs and 2 fronts. What you want to do is you want to take your right sides, so we'll set one leg to the side. You want to set your right sides together. Take your pins. Okay, so you're just gonna take this, put your pins in, and you want to stitch the whole way down to the bottom with a 5/8 of an inch seam allowance. You do the same to the other side. So ensure that you have 2 opposite sides. You take these, this is the inside of your crotch. You take this and you pin, okay? And you pin the whole way down. Okay, you'll also notice the back is slightly higher than the front, and the reason for that is because you need more room, more curves at the back, okay, than you do at the front. So that's the back and the front. So what we're going to do is we're just going to stitch down here and stitch down here on both legs. Okay, for your top, this is your back piece. This is your shoulder seams. You want to stitch on your shoulder seams first. So you take your front piece, you place right sides together, you take your pins, and put it here, and put it here, put it here, and put it here. Okay, so you start off by stitching along here and stitching along here. You leave your side seams open at the moment because we're going to insert a sleeve. This is your facing. You take your facing and you pin. And you're going to stitch along here and along here. Front is a longer piece, so you're going to be putting your right sides together, so you just fold it over, find the middle, and pin. We take this to here. Okay. You take your trousers, you turn them right sides out. You match your center seams. Right. Your back will be higher than the front, and you want to turn it over. Let's turn it over by, let's say, let's give it 1.5 inches, okay? You want to attach the arm sleeves here. And you'll be stitching right down here, stopping here. Okay, so you want to press and you want to hem your armholes, both armholes, and you also want to press and hem your bottom. You'll hem all along the bottom and you'll come up the side. You'll be stitching these wee slits. You come here, you want to reinforce, so you want to stitch back and forth for a bit, then come back down the back and stitch around the whole hem of the back, up the other side, split, Then reinforce. Why you reinforce is because this is going to get a wee bit of pressure, so you want to make sure that that slit doesn't split. And then stitch down and straight along the front again. Some people don't like the facing. It can be a wee bit scary sometimes because it doesn't sometimes people can't get this point exact. So I'm going to try my best just to show you why maybe sometimes you don't get that point and how best to get it. Okay, so when we're still on the facing on, it's this point here that we want to ensure that we maintain the 5/8 of an inch stitch allowance the whole way down. So what I've done is I've taken a fabric marker. This will wash out, and you want to mark 5/8 of an inch down from your slit opening. So just about here where I've marked it, okay? So your stitch line, if you imagine, will come up here, it'll come up here, it'll come to a point just about there, okay? This is your facing. Your facing will have to do the exact same. Your facing will be 5/8 of an inch, come down to a point and go straight up again. So you turn your garment right side out. As you can see, I've marked here with a marker my stitch line, my 5/8 of an inch. It's going to be about here. And we're going to mark it down to a point and up again. Okay. Now with the facing, we just need to stitch it on, so it's always right sides together. So we take and we're just gonna attach it at the two shoulder seams first of all. And we're gonna just stitch along neckline, down and down, okay? And you wanna just hem here and here and up along here. Couple of things, the pre-cut pattern pack does come with 2 pockets. You can put 2 pockets in the front, or you can pocket in the front and a pocket just in the back of the trouser leg as well. So whatever you want to do, we'll leave that up to your discretion. And we have sized them so they're quite big and useful then for the NHS front line. A couple of other things, I have done a face and neckline. If you prefer just to overlock, turn over and stitch, that's fine. Let's not be too particular about it. It needs to look good, it needs to be wearable, but it doesn't need to be couture, okay? So just get them done, get them out. That's the key. We need to get these out in their hundreds now, if not thousands coming this week, okay? So good luck everyone, and I will answer any questions you may have in the construction process. Just pop them in the comments below. Thanks very much and happy stitching, happy scrubbing. Bye.